Hi everyone, this is Shlomo Errol here, your trusted real estate agent. And this is part 3 of the home selling process. And in part 3, which is one of the most exciting parts, is marketing and promoting your home, pretty much going live. We're ready to sell your home. So step 1 before we put your home on the market is taking professional photography. So we're gonna get a professional photographers to come into your home to take photos of the whole home from the inside and outside. And in some cases, we're actually gonna do even a video of your whole home. Also, if your home is big enough, we're actually gonna do a 3D photography. If you don't know what it is, check it out online. But it's pretty much like Google for the street view, just for your home. So people can walk from room to room to room and be inside your home without actually being there. So that's great. The reason we do all of that is because almost 100% of all home searches are starting online. That means that the first impression that you're gonna make is through the eyes of these buyers, and you want to make the best impression possible. So we're going to take great photos, professional photos to show out there. Step number 2 is promoting it on the MLS, multiple listing services. This is the biggest hub where all the properties in the area are put into. We're going to put not only the pictures, but also valuable information. From the MLS, you're getting exposure to more than 100 websites. So everyone that are looking to buy in your neighborhood for this type of home will actually see your home the moment it hits the market. So what we want to do is 2 things. First, we want to put those great photos and videos that we just took. The second thing is we want to put valuable information about your home. We're going to start with the number of rooms that you have, a dining room, a living room, the number of bedrooms that you have. Also, the sizes of each room and room. Is it multiple levels? What type of flooring do you have? Did you actually did any renovation, recent renovation to your bathrooms, to your kitchen, and on and on? Also, if you did any improvements, like did you recently replace the roof, which can save a lot of money for the new buyer. Sizes of the yard that you might have, or if you live in a condo, what is the amenities that are provided for the new buyer. So we want to put as much information into it, so when the buyer is looking in, he's just not seeing the photos and just the taxes or the HOA. He wants to know what it actually has to offer. So also something very important, how is the neighborhood? What type of restaurants or culture does the neighborhood has? And also very important is the school district. Some people with families are really looking into the school district to send their kids. So that's very valuable information that we're gonna put on the MLS. All of this together will provide the buyer with the best information to know if they're interested in buying in this neighborhood or buying this home, with all the improvements or no improvement that you might have. We're gonna move to step number 3, where we're gonna do our open house. So the open house is to provide access to all those buyers that are interested in your home to come and view it in person. So usually we're gonna do it in the weekends because it's more available for people to come. A lot of people, work, but they don't have the time. That's what we're gonna provide with 2 or 3 hours of an open house. With an open house, we're also gonna reach to the neighborhood. We're gonna put a few signs outside the neighborhood, so people that will be in the neighborhood that will see the sign can just pop in. Now, the thing is that they might not be interested in the home, but how about their friends, family? Maybe they heard from someone that is really interested to buy into this neighborhood. That's their opportunity to tell them and maybe call them, and then they will send them over. So we're going to promote the open house to the neighborhood, we're gonna promote it online, we're gonna promote it on the MLS in order to get the best exposure. So with all of that, taking photos, putting it on the MLS, doing the videos, doing the open house, the only thing to wait is for an offer to come in. And I can promise you, after we did all of this, we're gonna get an offer. Until the next time, guys, please keep it safe, keep it healthy, and keep it positive.